giving away the tricks of the trade, guys. Giving away all the secrets of YouTube. Today I'm going to be sharing 14 Christian YouTube video ideas because I know that sometimes you can get into a little funk where you just don't have any video ideas. So I compiled all my video ideas that I had digging my brain for, and this is the list that I came up with, so I hope you guys... Something's in my eye. Just a minute. So number one, the first video idea I have for you guys is something that a lot of Christian YouTubers do make a video about. It is making your testimony video, which is basically telling your story of how you came to Christ and how you came to believe. Don't worry, it's coming, guys. It's coming. Number two is a Bible study. You can do Bible studies all the time because they are so amazing. They can impact people. They can make people feel way better. They can help others a lot in a lot of ways. And also it can be a really nice way for you to make a video and to make it all about Jesus, which is the goal. So there you go. And number three, making favorites video, meaning like you can make your favorite Christian YouTubers, your favorite Christian songs, your favorite Christian clothes stores. I don't know. You can make your favorite anything video because there's so much to have favorites about. Oh yeah, Christian movies. There's so much content about that, and so I feel like I'm doing you guys a big favor because I'm not like giving you little video ideas, I'm giving you big topic ideas. So like you can make your favorites video about anything. So there you go. Number four is you can sort of make a video about what God has been placing on your heart recently. This is a very good one because that means God is trying to lead you to make it a video about something. So that is very important. So like if you feel like God is teaching you a big lesson in your life and you feel like you want to share that, share that. Like share it with the world because chances are someone else is going through sort of the same thing. Number five is big worldly topics. So you can make videos about big worldly topics such as like modesty or giant events like current events that happened or dating or sin or just like big topics. You know, hopefully that makes sense. So that would be wonderful because it would probably be relevant to a lot of people, even reaching further than just Christians. Like the whole world would want to watch because it's big worldly topics from a Christian viewpoint. So there you go. Number six is inspirational videos. So if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, I do holiday specials with like music and it's fun to edit and it looks pretty cool in the end. Number seven is Christian memes. Once again, my channel is like, it like takes the cake when it comes to Christian memes because I've done so many videos. I've kind of lost count at this point. I've done a lot of Christian meme reacting videos because I feel like they're so fun to watch. Number eight is a Q&A for Christians, sort of like a Christian Q&A or like a Q&A about yourself, and obviously since you're Christian it will end up being about Christianity, or also like I did this video in the past of answering questions Christians are too afraid to ask, and so that is sort of like a Q&A. So Q&As are a great go-to when you want to like engage your audience and also you need a video idea. So there you go. Number nine is a debate. I did one of these videos and it is so fun. So basically I went researching. This is if you're like ready to plan a long video and you want some really good like half-hour content here. It's definitely worth it, but it is a lot of work. And so you just like go out looking for content that is against Christianity basically, and you sort of debunk it. And you have to do a lot of research and you have to know your facts. You're going to have a lot of people coming at you in the comments. Let's have a moment of silence for them comments. Anyways, so you guys, this is a great video idea. If you are feeling like you want to do something big, this is great. So like take apart a atheist argument or someone else's argument against Christianity because this is a great way to do apologetics too. Number 10 is doing an interview. So you basically can just like get someone on your camera. I don't think I've done this before, but you get someone on your camera or maybe over a Zoom call. Number 11 is how you started your channel and like why you started your channel. So this is very interesting because I made a video about this. This was actually my first video I made on the YouTube channel, why I started my YouTube channel, and I think it's really cool to know, like, why someone started the channel, it's sort of a part of their testimony. Next is number 12, and these are holiday videos. So you can make holiday specials. So like on Christmas, I make a special video, and also on Easter. So you can make holiday special videos. So like 4th of July, you can vlog 4th of July and like read a Bible verse or something while you're doing that, or share your amazing life with people online if you want to, because holidays are so great. Like New Year's, you can make a video all about New Year's and like your goals and resolutions and what you think the new year will be about, what your recaps were of last year, stuff like that. So I think those are great videos to make. Number 13 are funny videos. You can make sketches. I'm sort of in the works of making a Christian joke sketch thing, and it is going to be so funny. Kirby Minnick, she makes such awesome Christian funny sketch videos, and they're just so funny. Oh my goodness, they're so entertaining. So that is, if you're very creative and you got a lot of time on your hands, definitely check out doing that. And the last YouTube video idea videos for atheists. Now, this is something that might be overlooked a lot of times. I was at like number 13 of video ideas, and I was like, what is another video idea? And I thought of this, like videos for atheists. You could title the video like, watch this if you don't believe in God, or something like that. And you can this sort of ties in with the inspirational and like the debate and stuff, but this is sort of like a new topic because this is directed for atheists and or anyone who doesn't believe in Jesus, because I feel like this can be really impactful if you have a good audience that is watching that. So hopefully this list helped you guys out in your little dry season of not knowing what to film. Definitely, I've been there, and I might even be watching this video in order to get new ideas again. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Also, make sure to share this video if you thought it was helpful and someone else could be helped by it too. Also, one last thing I would like to share, like one little last plug for myself. I have an Etsy shop, so if any of you guys want to go check that out and see what you like and see if you want to buy anything, it's all Christian apparel, and it's very, very high quality and very cute stuff. So make sure to go check that out if you would like to. It's in the description box below. Bye!